Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ontavin, also known as Onti. Today I am going to show you how to create my GoAnimate avatar without even getting my avatar from your files. Please stick around to the end of the video for more information. Now, let's get started. One of the colors that I use for my avatar is burgundy. To get that color, enter the color code which is number 660,033. I use it for my hoodie and beanie. The other color that I use is red. To get it, you need the color code FF0000. I use it for my hair, sweatpants, and the strings to my hoodie. For my eyebrows and beard, you need the color code which is number 6B4F3F. They are kind of like a brownish color. For my skin color, you need the color code which is FFCE95. For my shoes, you only need white, which is FFFFFF. For my glasses, you need gray. The color code for it is number 707,070. And finally, for perfect accuracy for my beanie, you need to make it bigger 15 times. After that, move it left 3 times, and then after that, move it up 4 times. And then move my beard up 2 times. You don't need to change the size nor location of my glasses nor mole. And then my text-to-speech voice is Hugh. You can get that voice in the English text-to-speech voices. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if I made some mistakes. Before you go, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and click or tap the bell icon. I'll see you guys later. Bye.